Welcome to tecversity. This is Venkatesh Natraj. Like I mentioned, today is September 20th, iPhone 16 launch day. I'm waiting outside at Gandhinagar iNvent store and we're gonna unbox the iPhone 16 series. The store opens at 8 a.m. so we are waiting outside. And iNvent has two stores, which is in HSR layout and the other one is in Nav. I am currently at Gandhinagar. And we are also going to announce the best promotions as well as the best offers. So we're gonna start the unboxing of iPhone 16. So let's get into iNvent now. So let's enter into the store now. We have few more customers who are already waiting for the iPhone 16. So we have few of the models here already. We can see the pink iPhone 16 Plus here. And iPhone 16 Pro, which is in titanium color, and iPhone 16 Pro. So let's get into the unboxing, and there are a few more customers. We'll also interact with the customers. I have iPhone 16. This is 128 GB model, so ultra marine color. Let's do unboxing now. So we're gonna do an unboxing now. So there are two pieces. Let's rip it off. This is ultramarine color. This looks pretty good, and this is iPhone 16. So let me keep this aside for a minute. Let's see what else we have on the box. So we have USB-C and a SIM ejector. Yeah, pretty much that's it, and no more paperwork as well. So let's meet the iPhone 16 Pro Max phone. This is a desert titanium color, and there are 4 colors this is coming with, like black titanium, white titanium, natural titanium and desert titanium. The one which you are seeing is desert titanium. And let's see the hardware, how exactly this looks. So it looks pretty much like iPhone 15 Pro with the action button. However, they have come up with a new button which is a dedicated camera button. The moment you click on it, it will launch the camera, and you just need to put a little pressure on it. It will launch the camera and it will try to zoom in and zoom out, and the moment you click on it, it will take the photo, and if you press a little more harder, it will start recording. So let's talk about the hardware part of this. So this comes with A18 Pro Bionic chip, and which has a 6-core GPU and a better battery life. Apple claiming there is a better battery compared to the previous version, and it is also coming up with the USB-C like from iPhone 15 onwards. Apple has moved away from the lightning cable, and it has also USB-C 3. Now this is by default coming up with iOS 18 version, and this is coming in 3 different varieties with capacity 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 terabyte. So yeah, and this has a camera. Let's see the video. We can shoot up to 120 FPS in 4K, and this has a quality studio which has better mics. Apple is claiming there are dedicated 4 quality studio mics and audio mixing, so you can exclude any specific person in apart from the one who are in the screen. You want to exclude any of the audio, you can exclude it using this feature. So let's move to the next phone, which is iPhone 16 Pro, which is coming up with 6.3. Again the same, it has the same configuration. There is no change. The only difference is iPhone 16 Pro has 6.9 inch screen, and this has 6.3 inch screen, and this is also having the same launch button, the camera launch button, and the moment you do put a little pressure on it, and there's a haptic feedback in the back end. The moment you select it, you can feel that there's a slight vibration, and you just need to move here, scroll here and there, and then you will be able to zoom it. And it is also coming with the same hardware like I mentioned, with A18 Pro Bionic chip, which has a 6-core GPU and a better battery life. and 48 megapixel fusion camera and 48 megapixel ultra wide and 5x 12 MP telephoto. So let's see the other one, which is iPhone 16 Plus. This is in pink color. This is not the Pro model, this is the base model in iPhone 16, but this looks pretty premium. If I compare with the iPhone Pro or iPhone 16 Plus, looks almost the premium level is the same. And this color is also little vibrant. It looks, though it's looking pink, it looks very vibrant, so you have the premium feeling when you hold it. And this is also coming with A18. The best part is all 16 series has A18. The only difference is A18 Pro in Pro model and A18 in the regular base model. And this is coming with 128 GB, 256 GB and 512 GB. And like I mentioned, this is in pink. There's a black, white, teal and ultramarine color. This is the ultramarine color, and this is a 6.1 inch. So both the phones of the base models both are having 6.7 inch and 6.1 inch. There's a slight change in Pro models. Pro models have 6.3 inch screen and 6.9 inch screen, but when it comes to the base model, it has a 6.7 and 6.1. Other than that, the camera remains the same. It's a 48 megapixel fusion camera and 2x telephoto and 12 ultra wide. So this has two things, which is 48 megapixel and 12 megapixel ultra wide. And you can even do a macro photography using your iPhone base model, iPhone 16 base model. And this is also equipped with iOS 18. And the best part, in both the base models also have this dedicated camera button. The moment you click on it, it will launch the camera. And like iPhone Pro models, however, you have the dedicated camera button, you have the same dedicated camera button and also have the action button on both the base models as well. So the only difference is the CPU and the screen size. Otherwise, both you can choose. You can choose which one you want. Depends on the. In case if you are able to afford more amount, you can go for iPhone 16 Pro, or else even the base models have all the features like a dedicated camera button and action button. And the best part is it is also equipped with A18 chip, which has a 5-core GPU and best battery life. Hey Nehal, thank you so much for the opportunity for unboxing. So very excited about this day. So how do you feel?
Yeah, very exciting. It's the biggest day for our life. Today is the launching, iPhone 16 launching is the biggest day for our company, and we are very excited to more.
Great. So do you have any offers for the customers who are looking for iPhone 16?
Like credit card offer, like ICICI, Kotak and SBI. We have instant 5,000 discount on these card.
Okay.
Like if your customer is pre-booked from our store, we can offer 10,000 voucher also.
Oh, that's great. So customers who are booking from iNvent, they will be getting 10,000 coupon as well. And apart from that, you have in stock, right? So customers don't need to wait for that.
Yes, we have enough stock for these models. And one more offer going for today only. If customer purchase iPhone and AirPods,
okay,
we are instant giving 2,500 rupees discount on AirPods also.
Okay.
Card cashback separate from card cashback. 2,000 instant off on AirPods also in credit cards.
Okay. So customers will have 2,500 off straight away on the AirPods if they are buying of iPhone 16 as well as AirPods. Yes. This is apart from the card offers, right? That's a great offer. And would you like to add anything else that about iNvent? Because they have two stores here in Gandhinagar. One is in HSR.
One in HSR.
Yeah. Anything else we would like to add?
No, thank you.
Okay, great. So yeah, customers, anyone who are interested in iPhones, so today is the best deal. You will get a best offers on iPhone as well as with the card offers. And if you are planning to purchase AirPods, then you will have a better offer for 2,500 straight away off on the AirPods as well. So for more details, have a look at in the description. I am going to share all the details in this description in the below. Yeah, thanks so much again. Here are the customers who purchased the first iPhone 16 from iNvent store this morning at 8 a.m. and they have purchased two iPhone 16 phone, which is Pro version. Happy customers. Thank you so much for giving me a chance to click your pick. Thank you so much team iNvent. Without your support, I couldn't have finished this unboxing video for iPhone 16. Special thanks to Nehal and Vikas. And not to forget Gandhinagar branch as well as HSR branch team. Your support is tremendous. Thank you so much all for all the support for Team Tecversity. Have a good day.